Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Welcome back here to another scam app. Guys, today we're playing BigBang Pongs. Do you want to know why this is a scam app, ladies and gentlemen? You watch this video and you'll find out, okay? Now, this is an app that gives you PayPal money, apparently. And we all have been down this road before. If you guys have ever played a money-making app, you have all seen this before. They throw the PayPal rewards at you, okay? Now, the biggest problem I have with an app like this, and I'm trying to avoid that big PayPal sign in the middle because I know it's probably going to give me an ad or something. The biggest problem I have with apps like this is that they are in early development. And now what that means is that it actually blocks, right? This actually blocks. And now I have to watch an ad. There we go. What, am I not a fortune teller, dude? Did you not just see what I just said then? Now I have to watch an ad. So, the app, because it's in early development, right? I hate these ads, by the way. They're so stupid. Early development does not allow users to review on the App Store. So, if you guys don't understand what this means, it means that developers are now taking advantage of not only using Google Play or the Play Store or the App Store, wherever you're playing this app, as a way to scam people, but now they're actually using it to avoid getting negative reviews by leaving their games in early access mode, so no one can review them publicly. Guys, the scam goes deeper every single day. I've just watched another ad. Dude, this app is literally feeding me ads. We're only a minute and 30 seconds in, and I've already watched 2 ads. Now, guys, you have to understand. Check out my channel if you've never heard of me before. My name is Vince, alright? I review scam apps here on YouTube that trick you guys into thinking you're going to win real-life money. And I have covered over 170 apps now on my channel in the last 3 months. Does that not show you that I have literally dedicated my channel into proving that these apps are fake? And the only way I'm ever going to be able to show you guys that these apps are fake is through usually real-life player reviews, okay? I'm willing to put my channel on the line, alright, to guarantee that this app is fake. Guarantee it. It's made us watch 3 ads in the span of 2 minutes now. Do you not understand there's something wrong here, okay? And the problem is, I can almost guarantee that this is going to have diminishing returns. And what that means is that the deeper you go into an app, right, the actual further you progress, the least or less rewards you'll receive. Tell me if I'm crazy. Is that not every single money-making app that you've ever played? Like, come on everyone, let's be real here. These apps are programmed to rip you off. They know there's people desperate for real-life money, right? They know it. And look, you need $200 to cash out. Let's see if I ever reach $200, bro. Let's see. Oh, look, another ad. Another $7.67. Dude, come on. This is not okay. This is not okay. They're literally turning you into ad-watching robots, so they get massive amount of money from Google. It's a joke, everyone. It's just... I thought I saw the worst scam ever with that Tree for Money app. But this app right now just completely destroys it. Completely destroys Tree for Money, dude. I don't understand what we're going to do here. I don't understand how we can show Google that these apps are just ripping off players bit by bit by bit. Look, they even give you a spinning wheel. Oh, can't, man. This has every single scam element, dude. This has everything in it. Look, another $7.47 PayPal card. Isn't that funny? I keep winning $7. Wow. That's excellent, dude. Lucky 7. Do I want to watch another ad here, everyone? Alright, we'll do it together. I want you guys to experience the shorter version of what I'm saving you from going through, okay? All you're seeing is these pathetic scam ads as well. Like, don't worry, everyone. You see these actors? Because that's all there are. They're paid actors. Don't believe them. Do not believe these ads. That's the most simplest thing I can tell you, okay? 2048. What's that? 2048. That might be a new little scam app, hey? Look at this girl. Yeah, I'm sure you went to Target with your scam app money. Look at this idiot. I'm so done. I can't handle this, man. I can't handle these actors, dude. If anyone knows these actors in real life, tell them to hope they're happy for selling their soul, dude. Legitimately. Alright, so either way, I have 54 PayPal dollars, right? Think about this very carefully. 54... Oh, look, another ad. We have to watch another ad, and now it's $6. I have 54 PayPal dollars, okay? But yet, diamond currency is in the game. For some reason, there's a free currency called diamonds, and it's only 33 cents. So how do I have all that PayPal money, but then I have the diamond currency as well, it's only worth 33 cents? Do you not see that there's a problem there, everyone? Am I the only one that sees these apps and just thinks, holy hell, how much developers are scamming people? It's just sickening, man. I can't be the only one that knows these apps are fake. You guys watching me, you guys are probably long-time viewers of my channel now. You guys know the deal. You know, you can spot a fake from miles away, okay? $7 again. Oh my god, bro. An ad after an ad after an ad. I'm willing to bet my channel this app is fake. I will stop posting scam review videos, or I will post a video saying BigBang Pong's is so legit. Dude, I'm telling you right now, you'll never see that happen. You'll never ever see that happen. This app is the fakest app you could probably imagine. And it's literally not even hiding the fact that it wants you to watch ads every single second. Like, legitimately, it doesn't even care. It's not even hiding the fact, everyone. We got problems here, bro. We have real big problems, and Google doesn't give two you-know-whats. Here we go, man. Oh my god. Look at this, dude. Look at the it has the exact same... Dude, these apps just copy each other. All these apps... If you guys go on my channel, you'll see videos with this exact same layout. You have the 3 rewards you can collect at the top and the cards at the bottom. So it's saying 300,000 of these in-game diamonds, right? 300,000, you can get a $100 reward. But yet, 1,750 diamonds is all I've collected in the span of 6 minutes, and I only have 59 cents. This is such a joke. It's such a scam. I cannot wait for Google to do something about this one day. Oh my god, look at this ad! Look at the ad I'm getting! I can't even show you this, dude! This girl has a bra... What? What are these ads I'm getting? How is this allowed on Google, man? Oh my god, I wish I could show that whole thing, but I can't. 18 plus! The ad, dude, apparently the app is 18 plus. That's fantastic. When did Google allow that kind of, like, stuff on their platform, dude? What the... I get banned off YouTube for swearing too much, but yet they can show, like, that kind of stuff? Are you kidding me? Oh my god, this world's crazy. Dude, we're losing it. We're screwed. We're absolutely, like, screwed. 100%. I don't know what we're going to do, everyone. Apps are just reigning, like, supreme on the Play Store. They're just absolutely dominating everything. Something needs to be done. Don't think Google's going to care, though. I've literally watched, like, 7 ads so far. It's amazing to me. It is amazing, dude. $7.50 again. Excellent, excellent. Yeah, okay, another ad. I'm going to keep on playing here until they show me that diminishing return. I know it's coming. As soon as that doesn't give me $7 reward, I'm out. I'm just turning off the video. Look at this app, man. Look. You don't have to believe me. Go and try the app yourself, and when you don't get your money, don't come crying to me, okay? I'm being serious. I've had some people say, but you don't show the scam. Dude, the whole app is a scam. There's nothing else I can show. The whole app's pathetic. Do you understand that? Like, it's a joke. I love it. I absolutely love it, man. $9.86. Dude, we keep going here. I'm going to wait until I can get to that diminishing return. I'm not going to stop. I promise you, I'm not going to stop till I get the diminishing return. We're just going to watch ads together. Oh my god, this is another scam app I've reviewed on my channel. It's a complete joke. It has the prize system as well. I think it's called Lucky Fish or something, or fishing something. I can't remember the name of it. It should come up in a second, hopefully. It's a ridiculous app anyway, everyone. You want to stay clear of these. Any ads you see, they're all fake apps. Okay, so keep that in mind. Fancy fishing. Yeah, there we go. I reviewed that on my channel already. So let's keep going here. $3 diminished. Bang. It's done. You go from earning like $9 to $10, right? To now $3. It's already kicked in, bro. We're over $100 and it's diminishing me. I'm done. That's it. That's all the evidence I needed. That is it, everyone. I'm not playing this app anymore. This app is a complete pathetic joke, and hopefully Google does something about it. Will they, though? No, they won't, because they're earning too much money off these apps. $3 again. That's the proof. That's all I need. That's all I need. Do diminishing returns 100%. Apps rigged. One big fix. Stay safe, everyone. Stay away from BigBang Pong. What a name, by the way. See you later.